What you have is special. People go a whole lifetime not sharing and knowing the love and connection that you two have. It's a beautiful thing. Value it, treasure it, because it is a gift. Who would have thought that somehow fate would bring you two together on one Halloween night in Midtown Houston, Texas, and that you would talk the night away, not seeing each other's face, not knowing what each other looked at, but somehow through the conversation and the communication, you connected.
If any of you guys have ever been to Halloween in Midtown, chaos is the only word I could use for it. But somehow he's chatting away with Tracy over in the corner. It was just so lucky that they both found each other.
I met Tracy when I was 14 years old. When I first met her, I was like, she's so cool. And I would love it if they got married. Here we are 7 years now, and you're married.
My favorite thing about Tracy, she shows up every time. Boring kid parties, she's there. She'll show up and rock your newborn while you take a shower, and she'll show up when you run out of gas at Taco Cabana. That really happens.
I promise to give you the best of myself.
I promise to share with you my time and attention.
I promise to be your partner and equal in all things.
To encourage your dreams and to help shoulder our challenges.
To be together eternally, and that you were taken. You have found something and someone to belong to.
I promise to love you.
In good times and bad.
Completely and forever.
By the power granted to me by the Almighty God and the great state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. It is my privilege to present to you for the very first time, the Mr. and Mrs. Ethan Brusha.
To family, friends, fate, fighting, forgiveness, and forever.
Continue to make each other laugh, continue to make each other smile throughout many years of your marriage. I'm so happy for y'all, and I wish nothing but the best.